So over here you can see that I am in the task users view, and in the task users view you can see that I have enabled the overtime work and the overtime cost as well. So over here you can see the total amount of work and the overtime work assigned for each of the resources as well. But over here on the right hand side you don't see the overtime work. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around onto the script writing, for example, and go around onto task and scroll to task, then you can see the main work right here, but you cannot see the overtime work that is allocated for this particular resource. So in order to go around and enable out the overtime work section right here, you can simply go around and right click, and then you can see you can enable out different things over here like cost and everything. But what we are going to focus out over here is the overtime work. So I'm going to go around onto detail style, and then I'm going to scroll down right here. And then what I'm going to do is select out overtime right here. So let's just go around and then scroll down right here. You can see that there's different different sections that you can add in right here. So what we're going to do is choose overtime work, and then we're going to go around and show that out right here and press OK. So once we do that, you can see that another pane is added on right here. We can expand, and you can see that this is the overtime work right here. So if I were to go around onto the script writer, you can see that there's 5 hours of overtime, and you can see it being reflected over here on top of the 8 hours. I can go around and change this overtime work right here, and you can see that it changes out right here in another day. So there's 8 hours of overtime work in the first day and 5 hours on the second day, because the total is 13 hours. So you can see that you can go around and assign overtime work accordingly right here for the resources that you see right here. So there's like different things like there's the editor right here and so forth. So there's 0 hour assigned onto the editor. You can go around and change this out right here, and you can see the cost and the overtime work. So if I were to go around and scroll to task, now you can see the regular work and the overtime work that is assigned, and it is divided equally right here along the work and overtime work depending on how you assign this out right here. So that is how you can go around and enable out the overtime work detail division as well, to see how the overtime actually is assigned onto different resources inside of Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe